guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, it's been approximately 4 months. I didn't record any content these days because my camcorder is broke because of me. I just wanted to restore my camcorder's battery, but accidentally I made reverse polarized my camera, so I burned some component inside of my camcorder. So I'm trying to find the exact same component that I burned, but I can't find. But I find the similar one, so I just basically ordered this part from China and waited for to arrive. When this arrived, my soldering iron is broke, and also I ran out of soldering wire. So after all this gather up, I just start soldering, but my hands are shaking because of my prescription pills. That's why I ruined my camcorder, and basically I just lost my camcorder right now. I'm recording, after this time I will record everything in this camera with this camcorder. More correct way is this, not a camcorder, it's an action camera, but really cheap one. I bought the cheapest one from the marketplace I found. Anyway guys, enough talking, let's start our video. In last video I tried to make steam engine, but I don't have any fancy equipment for the produce some products that I imagined, so that's why I decided to make some mini lathe for the scrap parts. So I will use that thing. I just welded this part yesterday. I don't do anything actually. I just connect these two legs together. This is a old metal bed frame. Resume this project. Just cut off this bent pieces and move to here, and just we take some these bent pieces to here to make some rails for the lathe bed. So let's get started. First of all, we just need to cut these two pieces of metal from here. So let's get started, shall we? Let's open the air vent, ventilation. Maybe we just need to add some listing too. Right now we just need this weld to 4 pieces into this shape. So let's get started. it's warped during the welding process. I think we can fix that thing. Today I call it a day. This is enough. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube page. Today we just resumed making our lathe part, make carriage. Yesterday I didn't record anything. I went to the hardware store and purchased this part for the lathe and the angle grinder. As you can see, quality is more better than the yesterday's, because I finally managed to fix the mini DV camcorder, but I still using lots of cables to record my footage to computer because I removed the VCR mechanism, so that's why we can't capture record on cassette. So this camera is F03, which means it is the cassette stock error. So I finally get into the eject tape with the button. We can use that camera in the future videos. So let's get started. We just need to make this. Just put a plate here and drill hole. I put metric 8 threaded rods.